Project 2 Classroom Management. My name is Yosina Mareke Shakabaresi, NIM 33210097, Project 2 Classroom Management. Number 1, Problem 1. Problem 1. Mr. Johnson is a 5th grade teacher who has been teaching for over 10 years. This year she has a student named Alex who frequently displays aggressive behavior. Alex often interrupts lessons, talks back to the teacher, and sometimes even becomes physically aggressive toward his classmate. Miss Johnson has tried various strategies to manage Alex's behavior, such as setting clear rules and consequence, positive reinforcement for good behavior, and speaking with Alex privately to understand the root disaggregation. However, despite her effort, Alex's behavior has not improved significantly. Question number 1. What classroom management technique can Miss Johnson implement to address Alex's aggressive behavior? Provide at least 3 specific strategies and explain how each one could have improved the situation. Problem 1. Answer. To address Alex's aggressive behavior, Miss Johnson can implement several classroom management techniques. Number 1. Functional Behavior Assessment (FBA) and Behavior Intervention Plan (BIP). FBA. This involves identifying the underlying reason for Alex's aggressive behavior. Miss Johnson can collect data on when and where Alex's aggression occurs, the event leading up the behavior, and the consequences that follow. Understanding the function of Alex's behavior, seeking attention avoiding test is crucial. BIP. Based on the FBA finding, Mr. Johnson can develop a BIP tailored to Alex's needs. This plan may include specific intervention to address the identified triggers, teach alternative behavior, and provide consistent consequence. Number 3. Impact. By targeting the root cause of Alex's aggression, the intervention can be more effective. To BIP provide a structured approach to manage and reduce aggressive behavior over time. These strategies, when implemented consequently and in conjunction with one another, can create more positive and supportive environment for Problem 1. Answer. Implementation. Number 2. Social Emotional Learning (SEL) program. Implementation. Mr. Johnson can integrate SEL program into her curriculum to teach Alex and his classmates skills like emotional regulation, empathy, and conflict resolution. Activities might include role-playing, scenario group discussion, and mindful exercises. Impact. SEL program helps students develop the skill needed to manage their emotion and interact positively with others. For Alex, learning, recognize, and cope with his feeling can reduce his tendency to act out aggressively. Additionally, fostering to support classroom environment can mitigate triggers for his behavior. Number 3. Collaborative problem solving (GPS). Implementation. Mr. Johnson can use GPS technique to involve Alex in solving the issue contributing to his aggression. This approach emphasizes empathy, defining problem collaborative, and brainstorming solutions together. For instance, Mr. Johnson might have regular meetings with Alex to discuss his challenges and work on strategies to address them. Impact. GPS help Alex feel heard and valued, reducing his need to resort aggression to express himself. By involving him in problem solving, Alex can develop sense of ownership over his behavior and strategies to use to improve it. Problem 2. Mr. Smith, a seventh grade math teacher who has noticed that several students in his classroom frequently engage unav text behavior during lesson. These students often daydream, chat with classmates, or use their phone instead of focusing on their work. Despite Mr. Smith's attempts to redirect their attention, provide engaging activities, the problem persists. This off-text behavior is disrupting the learning environment and affecting the overall performance of the class. Question: what strategies can Mr. Smith use to increase on the test behavior and decrease of test behavior? Provide at least three specific strategies and explain how each one could help address that issue. Problem 1, Problem 2 answer. Active learning technique implementation. Mr. Smith can incorporate active learning technique that requires students to engage with the material and participate actively. Example include group works, hands-on activities, interact math games, and problem-solving tests that involve real-world application. Impact active learning keeps students engaged and interested in the lesson. When students are actively involved, they have less opportunity to become distracted. Additional engaging activities make learning more enjoyable, relevant, which can motivate students to stay on task. Number 3, differentiate instruction. Implementation. Mr. Smith can differentiate his instruction to meet the diverse needs and learning styles of his students. This might involve providing different level of tasks using varied instructional methods, e.g. visual aids, hands-on activities, technology, and offering choices how students demonstrate their understanding. Impact differentiated instruction ensure that all students are challenged, supported appropriately when students are working at their appropriate level, difficulty and which this suit their learning styles. They are more likely to stay focused and engaged. Providing choices can also increase the student ownership and motivation. Problems to answer. Additional supportive strategies include positive reinforcement. Mr. Smith can use positive reinforcement to encourage on-task behavior. This might include verbal praise, reward, or point system for individual or group who demonstrate good focus and effort. Classroom management tools. Utilizing tools such as seating arrangement, proximity control, standing near of the student, and nonverbal hand signal and help maintain student attention. Technology integration. Mr. Smith can integrate educational technology that promotes engagement such as interactive math apps, online quiz, or virtual manipulative technology can provide immediate feedback and make learning more dynamic. By combining these strategies, Mr. Smith can recreate classroom environment that promote on-task behavior, reduce distraction, and enhance overall student performance. Problem 3. Problem 3. Miss Brown is a TH grade English teacher who is facing challenges with student named Jake. Jake frequently exhibits disruptive behavior in class such as talking out of turn, making inappropriate comments, and distracting other students. Despite Miss Brown attempts to manage the behavior through verbal warning and setting changes. Brown attempts to manage the behavior through verbal warning and setting changes. Jake's behavior has not improved. The disruptive behavior is affecting the learning environment, making it difficult for other students to concentrate on their work. Question: what specific strategies can Mr. Brown implement to manage Jake's disruptive behavior provide at least three strategies and explain how each one could have addressed that issue. Problem 3 answer. To manage Jack's disturbed behavior, Mr. Bond can implement several. Number 1. Behavior contract and goal setting. Implementation. Mr. Brown can develop a behavior contract with Jack that outlines specific behavioral expectations, rewards for meeting that expectation, and consequence for failing to do so, involving Jack in setting realistic and achievable goals, and can increase his commitment to improving his behavior. Number 2, impact. A behavior contract provides clear and consequence guidelines for behavior which can help Jack understand the boundaries and expectations. Setting goals can motivate Jack to change his behavior as he works towards setting, learning, and earning rewards. This approach also allows for regular check-ins to monitor progress and adjust strategies as needed. Problem answer. Restorative practice. Implementation. Ms. Brown can use restorative practice to address the impact of Jack behavior on the class. They might involve holding restorative circle where students can discuss how Jack behavior affect them collaboratively, find solution. Additionally, one-on-one restorative conversation with Jack can help him reflect on his action and their consequences. Impact. Restorative practice promote accountability and empathy, helping Jack understanding the effect of his behavior on others. This approach encourages positive behavior by fostering a sense of community and mutual respect. By involving Jack finding solutions, he is more likely to own ownership of his behavior and work towards improvement. Number 2. Increase student engagement and responsibility. Implementation. Miss Brown can give Jack more responsibility in the classroom, such as assigning him a leadership role in the group activities or having him assist with classroom tasks. Additionally, she can design and engage interactive lessons that require active participation for all student impact. Increasing Jack's responsibility can help him value and important, which may reduce his need to seek attention to direct distract behavior. Engaging lesson can capture Jack's interest and reduce opportunity for disruption. When students are actively involved in learning, they are less likely to exhibit disruptive behavior. Okay, thank you.